April 10th, 2026, a company that no one had heard of before announced a multi-year deal with Anthropic, the creator of Claude. Its stock jumped 12% in a single session. The day before, it announced a $21 billion deal with Meta. To add more on it, it already has a $22.4 billion deal with OpenAI. Its revenue backlog as of now exceeds $66.8 billion. The company we are talking about is CoreWeave. It's quietly becoming the world's most important infrastructural company in the AI revolution. Here's what you need to understand about where the money is flowing in the AI sector right now. First, let's talk about what CoreWeave actually is and what do they do. To give you a little context, CoreWeave was actually founded in 2017 and originally a cryptocurrency mining company. In 2019, it pivoted towards GPU cloud computing for AI workflows. IPO'd in 2025 on the Nasdaq at $40 per share. In under 14 months, this stock has more than doubled. What CoreWeave actually does sounds pretty simple. Is operationally extraordinary. Simplest words, it rents GPU computing power to AI companies that need to train and run large language models. Large language models being ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, etc. A good way to visualize it is to think of it as the landlord of AI. Basically, every time you use Claude, ChatGPT, or Gemini, for example, it's pretty obvious, very high probability that the computation is actually happening in CoreWeave's infrastructure. Let's talk about the numbers now. The 2025 revenue of this company stood at $5.13 billion. I'm talking about a 168% year-on gain. 2026 revenue guidance stands in the levels of $12 to $13 billion. Contracted backlog that exceeds over $66 billion with the biggest names of the AI industry. OpenAI, Meta, Microsoft, and now Anthropic. Talking in the terms of stats, 9 out of 10 the top AI platforms in the world use CoreWeave's infrastructure. Anthropic's Claude, their revenue rate just hit $80 billion as of April 2026. This is up from $9 billion back in 2025. Explosive growth obviously means explosive computing demand. And CoreWeave is single-handedly the place where this demand goes. We now give you a simple institutional framework to understand CoreWeave's role in this AI infrastructure. In every gold rush that's happened in the history, the people who consistently made money were not the gold miners. They were the picks and shovels merchants who sold equipment to everyone regardless of who struck gold. AI is the gold rush. Microsoft, Anthropic, OpenAI, etc. are all miners. All compete fiercely. Some will win, some will lose. All of them need compute and all of them need GPUs. All of them need data centers. CoreWeave is that picks and shovels provider. Not bet on which AI model will win. It bets on the fact that AI will continue to grow. It captures value from every model that scales. Do you think 9 out of the top 10 AI producers in the world are its customers? Could relate a bit more of this to the Indian market perspective. I would like you to follow picks and shovels ideology into the Indian markets as well. Don't we focus on the data center infrastructure companies, the ones that provide the backup logs, the computing part, cooling system manufacturers, or providers? They are sitting directly on that path. Part of the same secular demand curve that's making CoreWeave the most highly valued companies in the world. Tell me if you found this helpful and follow for more.